My name is Jackson Knight and I am in 5th grade. I go to Garfield Elementary School. I want to introduce you to the Eco Rocket. My invention can help solve many problems that millions in our country face, such as saving 350 million animals who die every year trying to cross congested roads, or providing a home for 40 million people in the U.S. who don't have a place to live. But my main focus for the presentation is number 1, cost savings. My Eco Rocket can reduce the cost of going to different places by not using gas. Number 2, pollution. It would make a big impact because burnt gas puts harmful byproducts in the air like nitrogen dioxide, carbon monoxide, and other harmful byproducts. Another way it's healthy for the environment is because it goes off road, so less roads need to be made. But my solutions are, number 1, cost savings. The prices of homes, gas, and cars can be very high, and the Eco Rocket can help with all of those things. Number 2, eco-friendliness. My invention can affect the environment because it uses solar panels and it doesn't use gas, which can impact the environment in a bad way. It can also affect the cost of houses, cars, and gas. It can solve those problems by not using gas at all. Plus, it is like a camper van because you can live in it and you can drive around in it. Number 3, versatility. 40 million people in just the U.S. don't have homes. The Eco Rocket can try to solve that problem because you can live inside of it. It can also solve the problem of not having a car because it is a vehicle you can drive around in. It is very effective to people who have those problems because it is one vehicle that can solve all of those problems at once. Some of my research includes, number 1, there are 40 million people who can't afford a house. This comes from the CNBC.com website. A shocking number of Americans are living in housing they can't afford, according to a Harvard study. Number 2, the United States consumes 369 million gallons of gasoline per day, says the EIA.gov U.S. Energy Information page. Number 3, 350 million animals die each year trying to cross in traffic. Article from Scientific American Journal called Roadkill Literally Drives Some Species to Extinction. Number 4, solar panels can still work efficiently in outer space, just like the International Space Station. Article from Energy from the Sun Journal. Now on to revisions. My original Eco Rocket. The unimproved Eco Rocket looked very different than the upgraded one. It was only a rocket that could go to the moon and carry passengers. It could also not go off-road, and it wasn't a vehicle you could live in at all. But how about the improved? The improved edition could solve many more problems than the original Eco Rocket. The Eco Rocket improved by getting wings so it could be more efficient when it needed to get into space. Also improved by adding camper space inside so the passengers could also live in it. In conclusion, the Eco Rocket saves costs, is environmentally friendly, and has lots of versatility. My invention is better and different than other existing inventions for many reasons. One of them is that the Eco Rocket can solve many different problems at once. Another way it is more useful and better is because you would have so many more different experiences. It is also different because it can make going places like the moon much more comfortable, no matter whether you're going on a short drive or going thousands of miles away. The Eco Rocket is much more environmentally healthier than other existing inventions. That is how my invention is much more reliable and different than other existing inventions. To give a final analysis, it's eco-friendly, can solve the cost of many things, and it's very, very versatile. So if you hop inside my camper, you can live on the moon.